Hello, gorgeous. Thank you so much for tuning into Beauty Society on Facebook, and welcome to our virtual beauty bar. I'm going live today because I'm so excited to unveil our September beauty box. Hundreds of women have received the September box, and I really wanted to show everyone that's got the box how great everything is that they received. And I also want to show you, if you're not yet a Beauty Box subscriber, how valuable these boxes are and how much you're going to love our program. Okay, so let's just jump in. The box is just $60 and it has well over $200 worth of items in it. So what do we have here? It's called See Me Shine, and we're starting with this fabulous little gift. This is a wet brush, and we really got to be careful with our hair. When our hair is wet, it can be really tangly and get damaged. So this brush will become your favorite. If you don't already have one, you've got one now in your beauty box. So this brush is amazing to take great care of your hair. Ooh, and a little comb, a teasing comb. If you want to back comb your hair up a little bit. A mask. This is called Saving Face. This is our foaming, oxygenating bubble mask. It's one of our top 10 selling products. So you are going to love this, and you're lucky enough, if you've received the box, to have also received a full-size refill of the Saving Face mask. So when you're done loving this, don't throw your jar away. You're gonna refill it with this little refill pouch that's come with it. Ooh, also a beauty box bonus, 20% off your next order with Beauty Society. These are hair ties. I love to put my hair up, and you have to always be careful about how you put your hair up. These are like squirrely spiral hair ties, so nothing gets caught in there in your hair tie, and it doesn't damage your hair at all. So a little set of ombre hair ties. Ooh, a little mini travel size. This is called Clean Shave. So it's a cleanser and a shave gel, so perfect for the man in your life, or even just for yourself for shaving. It's a perfect product for that. This is a little miniature jar of our Perfect Form that's specifically formulated for your neck and your décolleté. It's also great for a little bit around your eyes and even your lips. So Perfect Form's a fabulous product, super big seller. And something brand new. Every month when you receive a Beauty Society subscription box, we launch a brand new product in the box. And this month, it's called Redemption. This is a leave-in hair conditioning spray. I take good care of my hair. I buy really nice products to take care of my hair. I'm always very careful because the damage that women do to their hair, bleaching their hair and over-processing. I got tired of sprays that just did okay. We made the strongest conditioning, leave-in conditioning spray ever. My hair is, in 20 years, it has not been this soft, this smooth, and this shiny, so you're going to love this. And one more fun thing in this box, it is a hair towel. How cute is this? And it's actually a turban. I'm going to show you. So many gals that have received this box have already asked, how do I use this? So I'm going to show you real quick. Normally, you put this hair towel on after you get out of the shower. So normally my hair would be wet, but it goes on like this. You turn your head over. Pull it like this. Make sure the button's in the back. Twist, twist, twist. There's a little hook right here. Button it up. You're done. And it's perfect for doing your makeup, getting everything ready, keeping your hair out of your face, drying your hair. It's very, very soft, cozy, and kind of cute. I like the look of the turban. Well, congratulations for those of you who got the September box. We cannot wait to unveil the October box. It is a monthly subscription. Please share this video because one lucky share is going to win a free September beauty box. And I have great news. There's a limited supply left. So if you go to beautysociety.com, shop through your beauty advisor or directly with us, There's a few left. If you hurry and jump on our website, and we'll put the website, the URL in the comments. There's some left. You might still have a chance to get your beauty box. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you that receive the box absolutely love it, and I hope everyone signs up for the world's greatest subscription.